it's your girl Whitney. Welcome back to another video, guys, and welcome to another hot girl video, y'all. So from the title of the video, guys, you already know what kind of video this is today. I'm going to be sharing with you all my after shower routine, affordable after shower routine, I should say. Before we get into the video, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit on the notification button down below, so every single time your Caribbean girl posts a video, you are definitely going to be notified. Okay, y'all, I want to thank you all for all the love that I got on my last video, the shower routine, guys. This is crazy. I am happy that you all came across from TikTok to YouTube and also Instagram. I am really appreciative of the group. Very happy to actually sit down and do this video for y'all because it's very affordable. I love doing affordable stuff for people. Now, don't get me wrong, I do splurge and spend a little bucks here and there, but I always go back to my affordable things because it's just so, I don't know, it's satisfying. It's satisfying to the mind, the body, the soul, every single thing, girl. So with all that being said, guys, if you are not following me on TikTok and Instagram, girl, what are you waiting on? What are you waiting on? Just switch to that app and look for Whitney DB and click follow. Okay, guys, so without any further ado, let's get into the dang video. Okay, so I have a little piece of hair sticking out here. Okay. When I get out of the shower, y'all, I pat dry my skin and I immediately go in with my body mist. So for me, guys, just having the body mist onto your damp skin just does something for me. It leaves a really great smell and it sticks to your body, and this is something that I like to do. I am not someone to apply perfume to my skin because it burns, but the body mist, guys, do not ever burn my skin. I spray this all over my body like oh, this smells amazing. All over my entire body, on my damp body. So this is the Victoria's Secret Liquid Coconut body mist. And guys, I am not a coconut and vanilla kind of girl, but the older I get, I find myself drawing closer to it, honestly. I would have never purchased anything vanilla, anything coconut, not at all. But now I do purchase it because it just smells so good. Just preps the skin because I'm just finished showering and all of that, and the smell remains really nice on my body. So next, what I do go in with y'all is an either or. Okay, now I can go in with the body butter. Now this is the Jergens body butter, sweet citrus. They just came out with this, y'all, and this smells so amazing. Jergens are really doing their thing right now. That's triple butter blend, as y'all can see to the bottom there. This stuff is so thick, it's amazing. Like, if you are someone that sweats a lot, you probably would not like this, or probably you would not like body butter on the whole, but I am someone who loves body butter because it just softens your skin and it nourishes your skin and it makes you feel soft. Like, I really do love body butter. Next, I go with my coconut oil, and this coconut oil is either mixed with the body butter or it's mixed with my favorite lotion, any one of them. But this is definitely for the cookie, this is definitely for the body, especially my lower part of my body. I do apply this to my lower part of my body for sure. From my knees go straight down, definitely I am applying coconut oil because my feet tends to get dry and I don't like that. Like, lotion do not do enough for me. So I am a girl definitely uses the coconut oil, and I mix my coconut oil with any lotion that I'm going with. So I am really loving this, guys. I'm about to buy all of this, try it, and come back and review it for you guys because this is my first time trying this and I love this so much. This is definitely taking #1 place, guys, thus far for me. It's literally a quarter. I love this stuff so much. So I take my coconut oil and I either mix it with my lotion. So if I'm not feeling for that lotion, guys, and I'm feeling for an extra scent, I do go with my Bath and Body Works or Victoria's Secret body lotion, and I mix it with my coconut oil, and it smells amazing. Now, I do not use these lotions every single time I get out of the bathroom because this does not do the job for your entire body, and then it's really expensive, y'all. So these are more, for me, like a top layer. Okay, if you all get what I'm saying. I really believe that these are just a last layer type of lotion just before you apply your perfume and so on, just to give you that extra boost, that scent. But to look for extra nourishment from the Bath and Body Works or Victoria's Secret cream, guys, you are really not going to get that. You would need to use a lotion, right? A moisturizing lotion like this or Jergens or something. So I definitely mix my coconut oil with this, definitely, guys, and sometimes I do mix it with my scented Victoria's Secret cream if I want that extra moisture. But this is definitely my go-to. Any lotion mixed with coconut oil is definitely good to go. Then, y'all, I go back in with my spray. Like I just spray a whole thing on the oil body, because at this point in time your body is moist and it's looking really nice with the oil, and I just use this to spray this. The oil will help the scent to remain on your body. So y'all, now that my body is layered with mist and coconut oil and a really hydrating body lotion, I definitely go in with my deodorant, and this is the deodorant I use, guys, the Clinical Strength. Nothing beats this, like nothing. Hands down, this is the best deodorant on the market. I've tried other types of deodorant, y'all, and it just do not work for me. This is definitely worth the $100. It's expensive, but it works. It prevents wetness, it keeps your arms fresh all day. Like, you would not have a perspiration. If you do have a perspiration or an odor, you definitely need to invest in this. I know, to pay $100 for a deodorant is like crazy. Like, nobody wants to pay $100 for a deodorant. But this Clinical Strength, this fights through all sweaty odors, perspiration, gym. Listen, this just works amazing. Next, guys, what I go in with is my Cookie deodorant spray. Now this stuff is amazing. Now I know for some people they don't believe in deodorant sprays and fem wash and all that, and that's fine, that's okay. But I'm one who uses them. I love it. This stuff just smells so good. Like, I'm wasting it right now. This definitely has increased in value. This is $43 at the moment, guys. It's really expensive. And let me just tell you all, if you guys are picking up this, please look at the expiry date. I have picked up one in a grocery store, and I had to tell the people about it because expiry date was the 6th, 2021, and then also 2019. So you need to pay attention at your expiry date to the bottom. This just smells like baby powder. I can't even explain it, y'all. It smells so good. This will definitely keep your coochie smelling good all day. Not part of the day, all day. I must say, guys, with the feminine products, guys, I do not use them every single day. I may use them every single day for 1 week, guys, or 2 weeks or 3 weeks, and then I'll go a month without using the spray and the wash. So I definitely do not use it like every single time, 365 days. Now that I'm finished and feeling soft, looking glowy, nice and smooth, smelling amazing, I do go in with my perfume, y'all. I do not apply perfume every single time, guys, but when I do, I do. Finally, guys, what I do when I come out of the shower, I know this may be, I know y'all are gonna say like, what? But listen, this stuff works. I do go in with my Bath and Body Works hand sanitizer. Guys, this stuff smells so good. I literally sanitize my hand as soon as I'm finished and just pat behind my ears and my neck. This, listen, this can be a lotion, yo, and it's sanitizer, so it's not doing any harm. I love this. If you do not have cash or you do not have stuff like this home and you just want to purchase 3 things or 2 things, definitely buy a coconut oil, definitely buy your lotion and a body mist, and you are definitely good to go. Like, it works amazing. Okay, y'all, so we have reached the end of the video, and I really hope you did enjoy this video, guys. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Let me know what's your favorite lotion, what do you do, another tip after your shower routine so I can probably try it. And yeah, you can probably share this video with someone, guys. You know, our girls just love shower stuff and body scrubs and all that, and what to do after. You probably would want to go to the pharmacy and see if you get something to make yourself feel all better, all great. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll definitely see you guys in my other video. Please do take care of yourself. Until next time, bye people.